We're revamping the bed just outside the cafe. We've emptied the bed of all the other plants which we've repurposed throughout the garden, and this is being replanted purely in succulents. On a bed this size, we place all the pots first in the position we think they're going to go in. We call it the plonk method, and then we start from the top and work down to make sure we've got the correct spacing. At the moment, Jeff's planting Caveria. What we're doing is we're planting in bold patches just to separate the colours out, and it's more effective that way. We're using bigger specimen succulents dotted out through as the main feature, and then underneath we're planting low growing succulents. From past experience, these plants have proved to be salt tolerant, and in such an exposed position that is really vital here. As we move towards the end of the summer, there's still enough warmth in the soil for these plants, for the roots to get away and bed in really well. This means they're a little bit more established before we get into the worst of the winter weather. Like with all planting throughout the theatre and in your own gardens, plant selection is key. It's all about the right plant for the right place.